Chromosomes. Right now, inside every single cell in your body, there's a tiny instruction manual. This manual tells your cells how to make you, your eye color, your height, even how your brain works. We call this manual a chromosome. And today I'm going to show you exactly how it works. What is a chromosome? Let's start simple. Your body has trillions of cells, and inside each cell there's a control room called the nucleus. Now, inside this nucleus, you'll find these thread-like structures. These are your chromosomes. The word chromosome comes from two Greek words, chroma, meaning color, and soma, meaning body. Scientists called them this because these structures soak up colored dye when you look at them under a microscope. But here's what a chromosome really is. It's DNA that's been tightly packed and organized. Imagine you have a really long piece of DNA, about 6 feet long. Now, you need to fit it inside something smaller than a speck of dust. That's your cell nucleus. How do you do it? You wrap it around special proteins called histones. Then you coil it. You keep folding and packing until that 6-foot DNA fits into a space you can't even see. That final super-packed structure is your chromosome. Now, here is a question. How many chromosomes do you have? You have 46, but here's the interesting part. They come in pairs. You have 23 pairs because you got one set of 23 from your mom and one set of 23 from your dad. When their egg and sperm cells joined together, they created you with a complete set of 46. Now, different living things have different numbers of chromosomes. A dog has 78, a cat has 38, a fruit fly has just 8 chromosomes. And here is a surprise. A potato has 48 chromosomes. That's right, a potato has more chromosomes than you do. More chromosome doesn't mean more complex. It just means information is packed differently. Remember I said you have 23 pairs? Well, 22 of these pairs are called autosomes. They're numbered from 1 to 22, biggest to smallest. But pair 23 is special. They determine whether you are biologically male or female. If you have 2 X chromosomes, you're female. If you have 1 X and 1 Y chromosome, you are male. The Y chromosome is much smaller than the X. It's one of the smallest chromosomes you have. A gene is a specific section of DNA that contains instructions for making one protein. And proteins do almost everything in your body. They build your muscles, carry oxygen in your blood, fight infections, and send signals in your brain. You have about 20,000 to 25,000 genes spread across your 46 chromosomes. Each chromosome carries hundreds or even thousands of genes. When your cells divide to make new cells, chromosomes make sure each new cell gets the exact same genetic information. They line up, duplicate themselves, and split evenly. This happens millions of times every single day in your body. So that's it about chromosomes. They are the carefully packed instruction manuals inside every cell in your body. They carry your genes, which make the proteins that build you. You have 46 of them, arranged in 23 pairs, 22 pairs of autosomes, and 1 pair that determines your gender.